everyone, welcome to Shida's Point of View. It's a beautiful sunny day today in New Jersey. It's December 13th, and I'm going to share how to overwinter your eggplants so that you can keep them and plant them again next year. I got wonderful eggplants this year, and I'm doing this experiment, and I just wanted to share with you guys. So come along with me. And if you like my channel, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends and family. So as I said, it's a nice and sunny day. My sunroom is also sunny, looking beautiful. This is where I have kept my eggplants and chili plants. My eggplant is filled with lots of eggplants. Definitely we will make some bangan bharta out of these. Before overwintering, I want to cut them, and these are all my chilies. Look at them, it's filled with chilies. So for this video, I'm just focusing on eggplants. I'm going to do overwintering for chilies some other time. My parents are here and my dad is excited to cut all the eggplants. Time to make some yummy egg bangan bharta. So the first step, I'm just protecting my plant's roots with these leaves, some insulation so that they stay warm and as well as hydrated. And leaves are the best fertilizer also, so it's all in one. So I have covered all the pots with the leaves. They'll be taken care, well taken care. Now I'm going to cut the eggplants. You have to have this Y-shape plants, so that means it's a healthy plant. So you can see it more closer here. Anything above that Y shape we are going to cut. So cut anything, all the small branches and everything, and keep that Y shape nice. So these plastic bags we get usually when we buy furniture or mattresses. I always save them and just reusing them. I didn't buy them, so no paying extra dollars for that. And I'm going to cover these pots, eggplant pots, with these plastic bags so that they stay warm and they get any sunlight or anything they can get through these bags, but they won't get cold. This is the pot, how it looks when it's covered, and this is how I'm covering the next one. Make sure everything is inside the bag. Each and every part of the plant and the pot is inside the bag. I'm loving how it looks. This is my tiny sunroom, and we'll keep you updated. Thank you for watching my channel, friends. So I'll keep you updated with what happens, how my plants turn out over the spring. And soon I'll be doing the same thing with my chili plants too. So again, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends and family. See you.